Dear students, I am Naushin Nizami. In today's session, we are going to discuss what do we understand by 2 by 2 by 2 general equilibrium model. So, what is this 2 into 2 into 2 model, and what are the assumptions of? We are going to discuss this in detail. So, let's move and see that what is this 2 by 2 by 2 model. So, basically, the first two elements are the two consumers in the economy, say A and B. Then the next two are the two firms, say 1 and 2, and the next two are the two inputs which are used to produce commodities for the consumers, and they are produced by the firms. So the two factors are capital and labor. Together, these two consumers, two firms and two factors have been taken in the model in order to simplify the general equilibrium model so that we can understand that how it works. So let us try to see what are the assumptions of this 2 by 2 by 2 model. The first assumption is that there are only two factors of production, capital and labor, and their quantities are given. Moreover, it is assumed that these capital and labor units are homogeneous. They have similar properties. Second assumption is that there are only two commodities which are produced, and they are known as X and Y, and they are produced through the use of a given level of technology. And the production function of these two commodities is well represented through isoquant maps. The third assumption is that there are only two consumers in the economy, A and B, and their preferences are represented by indifference curve maps. Fourth, we assume that the ultimate goal or objective of the consumer is to maximize utility, subject to his budget constraint. And the fifth assumption is the objective of a producer is to maximize profits, subject to the cost and technical constraints. The next assumption is that the consumers own factors of production. So households are the owners of factors of production, and they supply land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship skills. So they own even these two factors of production, capital and labor. And they also receive the incomes as compensation for providing the use of these factors of production, and they spend this income on buying goods and services. The seventh assumption is that there is full employment of factors of production and incomes are distributed. So both the factors of production are fully employed. There is no wastage, they are not lying idle. And the last assumption is that perfect competition in commodity and input markets exists. So basically, perfect competition conditions of equilibrium apply in both commodity and input markets. Just to make you recall, in commodity markets, when there is perfect competition, equilibrium is obtained by equating MR is equal to MC, and the same goes in input markets also. So you have a method depending upon the market structure, but in perfect competition, marginal cost of labor is given by wage rate, and that should be equal to the value of marginal product of labor. But in short, you can say that when MR is equal to MC, equilibrium can be obtained. So these are the 8 assumptions of 2 by 2 by 2 model of general equilibrium. In the next session, we will also discuss some more details about the properties of general equilibrium. Till then, all of you take care and have a great time ahead. Thank you.